Hi, my name is Toure, and I'm a textile artist, weaver, and fashion designer. Today we organize weaving workshop with the Kama Bank. The workshop is about to bring people together to realize and make a use of a material, because I think at the moment this world people we spend a lot of time worried about life.
For me, the best thing about today was reconnecting with material. I used to weave many years ago, and to come back into the meditative state of weaving was really refreshing. And reconnecting with colour, texture, even the movement of the shuttle going through the warp, was great.
And also the workshop also is about recycling as well. We use a lot of a waste material to do the weaving and introduce a lot of natural material, because I think in terms of the world we waste a lot of material, and I think it would be nice that we can all try to be sustainable. I mean, sustainable is not all the answer, but we can find a way to delay the process of waste material go to the environment. So this workshop is to develop these kind of ideas, and so bring those people that are new to learn about art. That art, there's no right or wrong. It's only your intuition, how you bring it.
Today I'm going to take away holding space for creativity in the simplest form. So weaving without necessarily an end goal, as in, okay, it's got to be for a garment, but actually weaving as a form of connecting and meditating with self.